Hi Bulldogs and Huskies. Today we're going to be learning about a balancing scale, and you can make one at home. All you need are hangers, you need some strings, and some sort of cups. What do you use a balancing scale for? Is to see if things weigh the same or if they weigh differently. If the scale moves this way, that means that whatever is on this cup is heavier and this is lighter. But if it moves this way, then that means that what was on this cup is heavier and what was in this cup was lighter, because the lighter things are going to go up in the air because the heavier weighs so much that they cool down. Okay, so let's try this. I have 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to put 5 bananas on this side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one weighs more? Did you notice that this cup is down, is closer to the floor than this cup? This cup is higher, it's up in the air. And that's because there are more bananas in this cup than this one. This cup has 5 bananas and this cup only has 3. So it's heavier because there are more bananas on that container. Now we're going to try with some toy oranges. Let's see. We're going to put 2 oranges on this one. And we're going to put 5 oranges on this one. Once again, did you notice that the scale moved? Oh, sorry. Which side of the scale is lower? Which side of the scale is lower? It's this side. This side is lower. This one is a little bit higher than this side. Look at the difference. Which side of the scale is higher? This one is higher. That means that this what's on this container is lighter because there are only 2 oranges on this container, but there are way more oranges on this one. There are more oranges on this container. There's just 2 here, but there are 5 oranges here. Now we are going to use a baseball and we're going to use a toy ball and see which one is heavier. Which one do you think is going to be heavier, the toy ball or the baseball? I don't know. Let's find out. This is the baseball. It's already going down. You notice that it's heavier. There's nothing here. So it's obviously going to be heavier and it's going to pull it down. Now we're going to put the toy ball. It did not pull the baseball down, and that's because the baseball is heavier than the toy ball. The baseball is heavier and the toy ball is lighter, higher, and this one is lower. Now we're going to use snap cubes. I'm going to put 1 snap cube here, 1. It didn't even move because snap cubes are pretty light, they're not heavy, so I can understand why it didn't make a big difference. Now I'm going to put 4 snap cubes here. 1, 2, notice that it's slightly moving. 3, and 4. There's only 1 snap cube here, but there are 4 snap cube here. Which one is heavier? And which one is lighter? How do you know that this one is lighter? Yeah, it's lighter because it's higher than this one. How do you know that this one is heavier? Yeah, I know that this one is heavier because it's pulling the hanger down. It's causing a lot of pressure. It's pulling that one down. That's why it's slanted. See? We're going to do a few more. We're going to put, this time we're going to put 4 oranges here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oranges here. And let's see how many fit here. I'm not sure. Let's try to fill the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? I noticed that this one is slightly lower. Notice how it's almost touching the bottom of the screen, but this one is not. This one is lighter. Notice the line on the hanger is slanted. It's going towards this side down, and this one is higher. I tried using magnet tiles, but they didn't work. They just fell. They didn't fit on the container. Okay. This time, we're going to put bananas on this side and then oranges on this side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas. And as you can tell, it's slanting down this way because there are bananas on this container, which is heavier than the container that's empty. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3. These are oranges. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oranges. Notice that my scale has moved. My scale is no longer slanted this way. I'm gonna put it straight. Now it's slanted a little bit this way because the oranges are heavier than the bananas. They are heavier than the bananas. Even though there are more bananas, the oranges are already heavier. One orange is heavier than one banana. That's why it's pulling it down that way. Try making your own scale at home and don't forget to share pictures.